Next up is Dizzy Toucan. Today I'm fat testing rides at ZDT Amusement Park in Seguin, Texas. I'm currently 340 pounds, 5'8", with a 52-inch waist. The floor actually drops there to allow for the swinging. For the seats, we're going to give it a shot. Right. So that, maybe. Will it latch?
If I can get the seatbelt, I can definitely tell you. Yeah, there's a good like inch and a half that I can't get the seatbelt.
Oh well. Thank you so much. It's not a big deal.
Thank you for trying it.
Anyway, props to the staff here. They have all been really fantastic and so understanding. So I'm just very grateful to them. Last test is going to be the switchback. This is the first wooden shuffle roller coaster, and it was built in 2015. How they made it weave all over the place to fit it into this tight space. The fact that they were able to build a roller coaster here is absolutely astounding. So props to them.